Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be looking at how to pair your boAt Stone Grenade wireless speaker with your smartphone or tablet. To begin with, first ensure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone or tablet, like we have over here. Connecting your wireless speaker to your device is quite simple. On the side of the device, you have the power button over here. Simply long press it until it boots up.
You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
When you are in Bluetooth pairing mode, you will see a small blue LED light flashing over here, as you can see. And if you scan for the device at this point on your smart device, you can see boAt Stone Grenade available to pair. Simply tap that. Confirm pair.
You're now connected to boAt Stone Grenade.
There you go. Connected, ready to play. To disconnect the device, you can obviously either disconnect from your smartphone or tablet itself. You can also disconnect by directly powering off from the controls over here. You can also, if you single tap the power button, you can switch between modes, which include Bluetooth and aux if you have an aux cable connected, or micro SD card if you're using a micro SD card to playback on the device, and that will disconnect as well. To reconnect, once you have paired the Stone Grenade with your smart device, reconnecting is quite simple. Simply bring the speaker back into Bluetooth mode.
Your device is ready to pair.
If it detects a
You're
previously
now connected to boAt Stone Grenade.
If it detects a previously paired smartphone or tablet within Bluetooth range, it will connect automatically and you're ready to go. And that's it for that is how to connect your boAt Stone Grenade wireless speaker to your smart device. Thank you for watching.